Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making muffin tin Easter crackles. I am putting my saucepan onto a medium heat. I'm now going to melt butter, chocolate, and a tablespoon of golden syrup. I'm now going to turn it off and leave it to sit for 1 to 2 minutes. Now my mixture has cooled slightly, I'm going to add in my Rice Krispies. I have lightly oiled a muffin tin. I'm now going to take my Rice Krispie mixture and add 1 tablespoon into each hole. I'm going to now use my back of my wooden spoon to flatten all my Rice Krispies. I'm now going to melt milk chocolate, dark chocolate and white chocolate in the microwave in 5-second bursts. Now I'm going to decorate my chocolate Rice Krispies. I'm going to take 2 teaspoons of each of my chocolate. Now I'm going to use a skewer and mix them together. I'm now going to decorate them with eggs and bunnies, but you can decorate them however you like. I'm now going to leave them to set for 30 to 40 minutes in the fridge. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.